set of aluminum oars, 1 hand pump, 2 aluminum benches, 1 manual, and 1 repair kit. If you live close to the water or ever wanted to go boating, but lack the resources or storage space of a conventional boat, then now is the time to consider a BoatsToGo inflatable boat. Inflatable boats take up as much space as a piece of luggage when they're deflated, which means they can store virtually anywhere. Imagine taking your boat out of the closet, putting it in your trunk, leaving your home or apartment, and heading to the water. For the transom of Saturn boats, we use marine plywood, which is specifically designed for marine applications. The marine plywood, painted with UV-resistant gray resin, offers durability and protection against not only seawater, UV rays, but fuel and oil as well. The advantages of an air floor are its lightweight and ease of use. You can roll up or unroll your boat in a pinch without having to remove or install the floor. High-pressure inflatable air deck floor offer impressive rigidity. Boats can accelerate faster and attain impressive speed while requiring less horsepower than comparably sized hard floor boats. The SD330 inflatable boat is our best-selling model. The SD330 will take up to a 15 horsepower short shaft motor and will carry up to 5 people maximum or 4 people comfortably. The SD330 is great as a tender for yachts or sailboats. This boat can also be used as a life-saving raft in case of an emergency. Features of our boat include rubbing strike protector, a grab rope, which are around the entire boat, 2 aluminum oars, and oar locks. In the back of the boat, we have a heavy-duty plywood transom, 2 convenient grab handles, and a splash protector on each side. The air valves have been moved to the inside of the boat to protect them from the sun's harmful UV rays. On the front inside is our safety valve to help prevent overinflation. Each tube is lined with an extra layer of PVC fabric to protect against accidental puncture. The keel is also protected with an extra rub strike. Once the tubes, floor, and keel are inflated, they will create a rigid V-shaped bottom. Located on the front of this model are 2 tow rings and a convenient handle. To deflate the boat, you simply unscrew the valve, press down,